Good morning, YouTube family. Now we're back to the original scheduled programming. Meals have been I still been doing my little smoothie thing and no meat, just fish only. So I just want to let you guys know, just because you don't see me on here doesn't mean that I'm not sticking to it. And I hope you're doing the same. So let's get started. Let me show you what I got. I got my 2 stalks of celery here. This is for me. You do it your way. I do mine my way. There's no wrong and right way to doing a smoothie. You do it your way. And good morning, by the way, just in case I didn't damn say it. Good morning. Got your strawberries here. Now here I have a mix of kiwi and strawberries. I'm not going to use it all. I just like to have my prep already done. Y'all know how I am. Order. Organized. That way you ain't got to be figuring shit out. You know what I'm saying? Then I also have my cup of milk, and I'm going to invest in me some of that almond milk as soon as I get a chance to hit the stores, because a couple of my subscribers was telling me, just because I don't like regular milk, try the almond milk. It probably will work better for me. Just thinking about milk just gets me all going. Oh, I forgot one thing. I got to get my ice cubes, so hold on one second. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, I dropped me about 6 cubes in there. That's all I need, not much. 6 cubes. And also yesterday I did go to the market. I went to the health food market, because just trying to get serious with this thing. I'm not joking around. We need to get our bodies in order, and you do whatever you need to do for your damn body. I'm doing what I need to do for my damn body, because I know what works for me and what doesn't work for me, and laying off for me is a choice that I chose. You don't have to do what I do. I'm still doing seafood, so just keep that in mind. I'm still doing seafood, but pretty soon I'll be going to fasting. Now, don't do what I damn do. You do what you want to do. So I went to the store yesterday and I bought me a lot of distilled water. Now, I've been researching distilled water. They say it's the best thing that we need for our bodies. So I'm going to keep researching before I go into full detail about that distilled water. Now, if you guys know a secret or something about that distilled water. Now, I've been on a couple of YouTuber sites, and they've been researching it for quite some time, and they said that that's the only water we should be putting in our body. So I'm going to keep doing what I do, and I'm going to do this for Mia. So if you guys got any secrets or anything that you know that Mia should be doing special, let Mia know. Don't hesitate. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? All of us on this journey together. So here we go. Now I'm going to add my milk. And by the way, for the rest of the fam this morning, I'm doing this. I ain't eating this crap. But as you can see, they got some sausages, and I'm going to do some eggs. I ain't eating that crap. Pan already getting hot. It's probably boiling hot. I ain't eating it, okay? I ain't eating it. But I ain't going to stop them. I ain't eating it. Put my strawberries in. Now, this is mine. So, got me some celery. And all I did was took 2 stalks of celery. And if you don't want celery, that's on you. I have to have me some greenery somewhere. Okay? I'm going to turn it on. Make sure I got it plugged first. And I do. Because, it's one of those mornings. Wake your ass up, Mia. Let's get it in. Let's get it going. Oh, here we go. It's on the mix. Don't worry what type of blender. It's a blender. Okay, there you go. So all I added was some strawberries and the celery for now. I'm going to add a couple pineapple and some kiwi. That's me a smoothie for today. That'll get me through the day to this evening. Now later on this evening, I think I'm going to do me some, hold on a second. Do me some crab salad. Gotta thaw up. That'll be some snacks for me for later. Crab salad. But I'm going to give these people some of that Coke and some eggs. They said, nah, we ain't following this. That's cool. That's cool. When I'm looking good and looking better than you, don't be mad. Don't be hating. Accept it for what it is. Add me some kiwi this morning. A couple pineapples. Do your own smoothie. Do it at home. Save money. Shout out to all of those that's on this journey with me, who's saying, we're going to lose weight too, Mia. Not lose weight, just get healthy. Shout out to y'all for joining me on this journey. So today I'm going to eat some crab salad. I ain't going to go on live to show y'all how to do that. I'll make a video, but I ain't going live to show that. I ain't doing that. You know how to do that. This crab salad. That's some damn crackers. You don't need nothing else. Unsalted crackers at that. You don't need no salt. You need no salt at all. Just take salt off, but unsalted crackers. Learn how to leave that salt alone. We got to do that We got it bad. We got it bad. So hold on a second. Now, as you can see, we're back. We're gonna stop this, and we're gonna. Got a little bit on my shirt. Can't have that. Gotta stay classy at all times. Okay. So we're gonna pour a little bit in our little pimp cup, cause I left my big pimp cup at work. You know what I'm saying? That's all right. You know, I got a big another gulpy cup over here. We're gonna take care of that. We're gonna drink that this morning. So this toast or this beer or this Bud Light's for you. Now that's good. Pineapples, kiwi, strawberry, ice, and you know me, a little bit of milk. But I'm gonna try that almond milk, a little bit of milk for me. And there you go. And I added me some celery, 2 stalks of celery. You need that celery. It's good for you. Mix it with something green. So I want to thank y'all this morning for subscribing, liking, sharing the video, and on this health journey with Mia. Everybody have a good day. Mia's out of here. On to the next one.